In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify Impulse theme for complete store customization. Let's start by opening your Shopify dashboard. At the dashboard's left-hand side, locate the Online Store section. This is where all the magic happens. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new page. From here, you'll want to find the option labeled Visit Theme Store. Once you click this, you'll be on your way to accessing a variety of themes, but today our focus is on the Impulse theme. Now, in the search bar at the top of the theme store page, type in Impulse Theme. This will narrow down the options and direct you straight to the theme we're aiming to customize. It's a well-renowned theme known for its sleek and responsive design, perfect for enhancing the aesthetic of your online store. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Try Theme. This gives you a chance to see the potential of Impulse without committing fully just yet. Allow it a moment to load and integrate into your Shopify platform. After it has successfully added, you'll notice that this theme isn't available for free. Don't worry, this just means it offers quality features that can truly make your store stand out. Click on Buy to proceed. You'll be routed to a secure payment page. At this point, you'll need to enter your card details. Take your time to ensure everything is entered correctly to avoid any hitches in the process. Once the payment is completed, the next step is to get into the fun part: customization. Direct yourself back to the Themes section in your Shopify dashboard. Now, you'll notice the Impulse theme waiting for you with an option saying Customize Theme. Click on this, and you'll enter the customization interface. The customization interface is where your creativity comes alive. Here, you have the opportunity to tweak various elements of the theme to better fit your brand's identity. Perhaps adjust the color scheme to match your logo, or refine the typography to better represent your store's voice. You can also upload your own images to perfectly depict the products you're passionate about. The key here is to explore all these customization options and find what resonates most with your brand message, and that wraps up the process of setting up and customizing the Shopify Impulse theme. With a little bit of effort, you can craft a visually stunning online store that not only captures attention but also delivers a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Take your time with the design, and don't be afraid to experiment until it feels just right. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.